Hi, my name is Maria. I own Fabric Works Custom Window Treatments, where I do window treatments, of course, but also I do lots of other fun sewing, such as children's wear, formal wear. And I came across Madame Sew last year, towards Christmas time. I treated myself to buying this amazing set of feet, which I think they are terrific. I've been looking for something like this for a long time, and I started working with it a little bit. However, there's a lot of different functions that the feet do, and what I did is I didn't order the video that shows you how to use each one, except very recently. So I started experimenting from the video, the tutorial that Anne has, and I did learn about the this particular one that works very well for knit fabrics. Where in these machines you're normally using zigzag, it tends to pucker the fabric on the knits, even using the ballpoint needle. But with this foot, the work is nice and flat, it doesn't pucker, and just comes out beautiful. This is a shirt that I made with that, by the way. And I'm very pleased, and I can't wait to see what else they're coming up with.